We are eating cake and a banana.
A banana.
We are eating pizza at a very cozy restaurant.
Time says it will be a sweet happy family. What's happening?
We have to find out where we have to stand first.
Yes, and
It's very important because the train leaves.
but what's happening? It's 5:49, and we're going to
Turku or Åbo.
Märsta.
What? Oh yeah.
Our destination is Märsta.
Yeah, so it's like outside Stockholm. But first we're going to Turku.
Yes.
It's 5:30 in the morning and we got 4.5 hours
Of sleep. Yes.
so we are good to go. The even bigger ship is of course ours. It's Abuela,
Yes.
the Viking ship. So maybe it's Titanic season 2.
Yes.
You never know.
We never know. Then I will die.
And I will not die. Ching.
Where are we på vej hen?
We are på vej to our crib.
Yes.
Oh, vi sejler. We are sailing.
Oh, virkelig? Oh, det gør vi.
I can feel it
Yes.
in my fingers. Goodbye. Should we go down again?
Yes.
Woohoo! Do the dab.
Amen.
Odottaa kahvilassa kannella 7 taipumus sopimassa tilassa.
We found it. The tubo. Heaven.
The juleøl, the juletuber, is my heaven. Then can I just take one?
Yes.
Shall I ask?
Yes.
Okay. See this?
Good soup. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, it is good. They can probably not even hear us.
You can come see it.
Precies.
What do you think of this boat tour so far?
I think it's funny. I think it's a lot of fun. What are you reading at?
Because you're not like
Oh.
acting seriously. Because it's fun.
Yeah, but right now my head is like, woo! I need a klakkara.
Do you need a power nap?
Klack.
Inkakken.
He has not been in the real Sweden, so he doesn't know what klakkara,
Nee.
but soon he will find out.
Yeah, update video.
We were supposed to get our delicious burgers from a restaurant,
Yes.
but of course they were thinking about Swedish time, so we only had 10 minutes. So instead we are eating cake and a banana
A banana.
and drinking beer
Yes.
and the Finnish original long drink.
Yeah. We are the blue points,
Dots.
the dots. And we have to go to Stockholm. We have, this is a crib tour because we glammed and make a video about it.
Yeah, it's only 7 squares, and my favorite part is of course the toilet
The toilet.
because it has a pink theme. We have the bed here
Yeah.
and a sofa.
And now our boat is arriving in half an hour. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Downtown.
way on down south London.
What is the update?
The update is currently it's 15:38. We're almost in Sweden. The time says it will be in Sweden at November 1845. We're currently are in Sweden. And look at the beautiful himmel.
The
Look
sun
at
is
it.
setting. Look at the beautiful himmel.
Look at it. We're almost at our destination. It only takes about 3 hours. Then we're gonna have fun.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, let's go. Update. We're finally in Stockholm and we're trying to find a way out to Märsta, and on the way we see beautiful Legos.
I'm in Christmas heaven. I'm finally home. And now we're going to get some pizza.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you allowing?
We are eating pizza at a very cozy restaurant.
Yes.
They are very nice.
Pizza shot.
Central Station. The big mistletoe.
Look at this beautiful lights. We're in Stockholm and now I'm tired, so sorry for my stuttering. We ate some pizza, we are full. Now we're going to take the freaking train to Märsta.
So we can get some sleep.
Yes.
Good night.
Where are you standing underneath?
I'm standing on the street.
Yeah.
And we are in Märsta.
Märsta.
So now we just have to walk 2 kilometers and then we can go to bed.
Yes. Good morning, we are still alive and we didn't get kidnapped on the way here.
We'll record you when you like. This is where you put Bastiaan whenever he's drilling you too much.